Palmer here. Before we get into today's video, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button right down there. If you've already hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the notification bell right next to it. That way you get post notifications on all my upcoming videos. As always, if you have any questions about anything I'm doing, drop in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to answer them for you. Please share these videos with your friends, rate them when they're all over with, and enjoy today's video. Alright guys, that's all there is to it. Just put the water pump belt, tensioner pulley, and a drive pulley on an 05 Cadillac Deville with the North Star. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. Do me a favor, don't forget, please, if you have any questions, put them in the comment section, rate the video now that it's all done, share it with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget, get out there and get your hands dirty. You might have a little fun doing it. We'll see you on the next one.